Welcome to the how-to video on the Basic Challenge Series Parallel 1. Here we are, the Basic Circuits Challenge, and we're going to do Series and Parallel 1. So here we should go through the description and the examples and the formulas. I'm going to just jump right in and start. Okay, let's get started. We have two parallel resistors and a series resistor. I have 180 volts power supply, and the first thing we need to do to get resistance total is calculate our parallel pair. So we got 36 inverse plus 18 inverse equals, and I got 12. So 12 is less than 18, so that sounds reasonable. And we need to add our 3, which is 15. So our total resistance would be 15. So let's just check it. Good. So now let's find out the total current. So we have 180 volts divided by 15 ohms, and we're going to come up with 12 amps. I'll just check that. And we have, this is a series circuit, essentially, series, and it splits between our two parallel. So we're going to figure out our current on R3, which is going to be same as the total. Okay, so now that we know the current and the resistance, okay, and we need to find VR3, so we have V equals IR, so we have 12 times 3 is 36 volts. And that voltage is going to be a combination of our power minus 36. So we have 180 volts minus 36. So we have 144 volts over both of those resistors because they're in parallel. And if you were to add 144 and 36, we should come up with our 180 volt DC. So let's just check and see if I did it right. Good. All right. So since we know these guys, we're going to split our current across these two resistors. The voltage is going to be the same because it's parallel, but we're going to share our current. Now that we know our voltage, we could find IR1. Since we have 144 volts divided by 36, we're going to have 4 amps across IR1, and IR2 is going to be 144 divided by 18, and we're going to have 8. So 8 and 4 is 12. Our currents add up, so we're going to go 12 amps through here, and then we're going to split up here and get 4, and we're going to split down here, and we're going to get 8, and they're going to add back up and come back up to our original 12. Okay, so let's do our power. So our power is V times I. So we have 180 volts times our total current is 12, and we have 216 times 10 to the 10, which would be 2160. Oh, wait a minute. Let's try that again. So we have VI, so we have 180 times 12, and that would be 216 times 10 to the 3, which is 2160. Good. And let's go to the PR1. Let's go to PR3 because that is VI, and we have 12 times 36. That's going to be 432. Let's try that. 432. Good. And so our current through the other one, so we have 16 144 volts times 8. 144 times 8 is 1152. Whoops, that is 2. Alright, let's check PR1, which is this guy. PR1 is 4 and 144. 4 times 144, 576. So 576, 1152 should equal 21. Let's just, there we go. And let's check these, and let's go ahead and grade it.